Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Tigard Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity ending this past Sunday, March 20th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. So first off, we'll look at active listing activity. So last week in Tigard, I showed that we had 28 homes come on the market. That's down from 34 the week prior. And we ended the week at 40 homes active on the market, down 7 from the week prior. Median list price and days on market for the actives. You'll see we've been kind of climbing in general here. We had a low of 572. In this last week, we hit kind of a high for the 6 weeks at 615,000 for the median list price of the active homes on the market. And then we were at 4 days on market this last week, same as the week prior, and hasn't moved a whole lot from there over the past 6 weeks. Moving on to the pending sales here, you'll see that we had 34 homes go into pending status this last week, just about the same as last week, down a couple. And then we ended the week at 169 homes in pending status, which you can kind of see that's been building up here week by week over the past 6 weeks. The median price and days on market for the pendings, we have been steadily kind of growing a little bit there as well. This last week we came in at 615,000, down about 3 from the week prior. And then days on market, just been at 5 days for almost the whole period of time. So things getting into contract quickly, continue to get into contract quickly in Tigard. Sold listing activity. As of the time I put this together, I showed that we had 18 homes go from pending to sold this last week. It's down a few from the week prior. And then looking back over the prior 4 weeks of activity here, over the last 4 weeks, we had 77 homes go from pending to sold. And that's kind of right where it's been over the past 3 weeks or so here. Not a lot of change. And then the median sold price and days on market for those sold listings, you can kind of see we had a low of 570. And this last week came in at 600 again, same as last week. And then days on market's been pretty consistent between 4 and 5 days of market time. And then finally, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the original list price. You can kind of see the weeks of inventory, the red bars has kind of been kind of going down a bit, but still pretty tight range here. The high of 2.8 weeks of inventory. This last week was kind of a low at 2.1, so just over 2 weeks of inventory. So, you know, market remains very constrained in Tigard, not enough active listings to kind of keep up with current demand, and that's certainly reflected in the sale price as a percent of the list price. You can kind of see that we've been, you know, well over full asking price for the past 6 weeks here. You know, we came down just a little bit from the week prior, but just basically about 6% over the list price on average for things that have been selling here recently. So continuing to be a very hot market in Tigard. So to get a better look at the updates, you can click the link or button below the video and it'll take you to my website where you can always have a closer look if you'd like. So hope this update's been helpful to you. If I can ever answer any questions or be of any further help with your situation, please don't hesitate to give me a call or send me a message. I can be reached at 503-680-2065. So thanks for watching and have a great day.